as you can see, I'm kind of using it as like a treadmill desk type thing. Like the pocket's really sturdy. I have a bunch of stuff in here. And it works fine. The actual desk is like a medium-sized desk, I would say. But as you can see, the stand-up attachment that I have on it, it just looks kind of bizarre. It looks very, like the side profile does not look pretty at all. So yeah, I'm probably not going to keep it. I'm probably going to get a different one, like a corner desk. But if you're just using this for an everyday writing desk or without the stand-up, it's amazing. Really easy to put together. The only thing you have to be wary of is this thing here. The hook, the little like screws only go in one direction for the rod. So like the rod, if you turn this rod right here the wrong way, then you won't be able to screw them in. You'll have to take it apart and try it again. We accidentally did this on this side where they don't have the circles are on the inside. That's not very helpful for putting this in. So you just have to be careful when you assemble it. Outside of that, it's a great desk. It just may not be for me.
Fill me. Fill me.